Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss and teach you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user to enter distance or give the distance in kilometers, and then it will convert into miles equivalent using Perl or practical extraction reporting language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here printf to new line, the title of our program, kilometers to miles in Perl. Printf new line. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give distance in kilometers. So my dollar kilometers stored in a variable dollar kilometers, my dollar miles, assignment statement, dollar kilometers multiplied by 0.621371. So this is the input, this is the process, and then we have here the output. %2f kilometers is equals to %2f miles, dollar kilometers, and miles. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB to run the program. Okay, so kilometers to miles in Perl, enter distance in kilometers, let's say 7.90. 7.90 kilometers is equals to 4.91 miles. Let us run again for the second time around. 45.8 kilometers. 45.80 kilometers is equals to 28.46 miles. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilometers to miles in Perl programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Though don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.